type conversions in assignment. When you are dealing with an assignment, then how the type will convert. See, first of all, the left hand side and right hand side, they may be of different data type. So the value of expression is promoted or demoted, which it totally depends on what is on the left hand side. If this is an integer and you have say 2.3, this 0.3 will be truncated because this is an integer, say x is an integer. But if x is equal to 2 and this is a float, x is a float, so 2 will be promoted to 2.0. Okay. See, integer I and b, we have I as 3.5, b as 30. This is an integer, this will only get 3. 0.5 will be truncated. How about b? b is 30, but this is float. So 30, this will be 30.00 and 0 something, right? So these are the values. You get 3.5, this will be truncated, you get only 3. For 30, you will get 30.000 because it has been assigned on the left hand side to the float value or float variable. And this rule applies to any expression also. See, this is an expression. Now here what happens? These ABC, all these ABC, these are what? These are simply integers. But whatever result will come, this result, say it is an integer. I don't know what it will come, but if it is an integer, the value which it will, or say if it is an integer, it is well and good because s is our integer. These are all float. These are all float here. But if these values are giving you some integer value, it is okay. But if they are giving some float value, say 8.36, only it will be taken by s, 3.36 will be truncated. Let us take some formal example. See, 2 by 9. 2 by 9 will give what? Because k is integer here and a is a very real number. So 2 by 9, as I just said, because 2 by 9 will give 0 point something, 0 point, any 0 point if you divide it. But we are not interested in finding that value because we know that when you have 0 point something and if it is an integer, only 0 will be taken. A decimal, any value after decimal will be truncated. But here 2.0 by 9.0 you will get, but whatever is computed, say 0 point something, it will be computed. 0.222 will be the value actually, 0.222. But because it is an integer, it will truncate all these decimal values. This is same with these two. 9 by 2 will be 4.5 because this is integer, 0.5 will be truncated, only 4 will come. Similar is the case with these all, because they will all give you this, they all will give you 4.5. But this is an integer. Integer will take only the integral value, decimal point, and after that will be truncated. Similar is the case with this 2 by 9 because this is actually a real number. But 2 by 9 will actually give you because both are integers, it will give you 0.222, but these are integers, it will give you only 0. So 0.0 will be assigned. 2.0 by 9.0, it will give you proper values because all this will be changed to 2.0, this will be 2.0 and 9.0 already. Here what will happen? This will be 4.5. But since this is 4.5 and these two are integer, 9 by 2 will give you only 4. And this 4, when it is assigned to a, that real number, then it will become 4.0. But here the case is different. 9.0 and 2.0 will give you 4.5. 4.5 can be assigned to a. Similarly, 9.0, 2.0 can be assigned to a. And this 4.5 can be assigned to a. And you just have to see what I have explained you, that what on the left hand side you have. Depending upon that, the promotion and demotion will take place.